Ukončete prosím výstup a nástup.
You know you're being a colossal
Dveře
bitch.
se zavírají.
I'm sorry. What exactly is your plan again?
Super easy. We go up to the bar, say the code word, pay the man, and leave with what we came for.
We can't do this, man. This is like our first night.
Yes, we can.
Where did you even find out about this place?
Reddit, on multiple separate threads.
Jesus Christ. Can we do this another time, like, not a day into orientation?
Imagine how happy everyone in the program's gonna be when after touring the 5th identical, equally boring Gothic castle,
It's actually pretty interesting if you paid attention.
when they see that Eddie and his best pal Carter have more than enough weed to share.
I think we've spoken a grand total of 3 times back at school.
What a great opportunity to get to know each other better then. Besides, I know you don't have any data on your phone, so good luck getting home without me or Google Maps. Look, I'm going inside. If you decide to come in, come find me.
Eddie. You can't leave me out here like this.
Hey, look who it is. Just ordered 2 Pivo. Not really sure what their measurements are here, but hopefully that's at least 4 grams.
You ordered what?
Pivo. It's a code word.
Are you serious? Pivo means beer. That's literally the first fucking thing they taught us.
Dwie piwa oraz koron. Prosim.
You know, that word did sound familiar. Thank you. How much?
Dude, let's drink these and get the fuck out of here.
No, hold up. So I just remembered. On weekends, you go to the bar, and on weekdays, the guy comes to you. I think.
It's Sunday.
Oh shit, you're right. I guess I flipped it, but trust me, this is the place.
Look, Eddie, I appreciate the invite and all, but I'm not trying to get arrested in a foreign country.
Jeez, arrested Carter. Relax, dude. Everything's gonna be fine. Here, just give me a minute to find the code word.
Well, hello. You boys want to play some chess?
Yeah. Yeah, I'd like to play some chess.
So what brings you two Americans to Praha?
Me and my buddy are doing a study abroad thing. Just got here a few days ago.
No shit. You know, I did one of those a long time ago. Bet you boys were enjoying those beers too, huh?
Fuck yeah, man. Cheap as hell, too.
And we're 19, so we're actually of age here.
Just fucking around. Yeah, was he always like this?
Literally always.
No one's gonna bust you while you're here, kid. Especially when Daddy's here. You boys don't mind, do you?
Oh. Nah, man. Yeah, Coke is, I love Coke.
I'm gonna get another one.
Yo, what's his deal, man?
Ciao.
Hey.
Ma è chiaramente americano, non può capire niente.
Puoi parlare un attimo? Lo stai aspettando?
I'm sorry?
Ma voglio, cosa ha detto? Non capisci un cazzo.
No, io lo parlo l'inglese, calma.
Oh, ma tu parli inglese, non puoi parlare inglese per salvarti la vita.
Calmati, zitto. Lo stai aspettando? You wait?
I wait?
Are you waiting?
Oh no. I already have one.
Mamma mia. Ordiniamo Yamuccino, dai.
Dai, io ci ho provato.
I didn't order anything.
On the house. Drink.
Okay.
Czech liquor, very nice. First time out of America.
I went to Niagara Falls with my family once.
What?
Canada. I've been to Canada.
Canada. Eh? Very nice. Where you like?
Canada?
No. Prague, met you at Prague. Prague.
Oh, yeah, it's certainly different.
Scared American. Typical.
Okay. And you're not worried about the cops coming in here and seeing your customers doing drugs?
Not as long as he keeps paying them. Besides, he'll leave me alone when they come in to raise the joint.
Raid?
Yeah. The lights. Go out. Boom, boom, boom! Police!
Jesus fucking Christ.
Right!
So you work at the bar?
Nah, self-employed. What you goons studying in here?
Program I'm in is a mix of political science.
Just fucking with you, dude. I don't give a shit. You didn't come here to actually work, did you?
Oh, no, man. Of course not.
That's right. That's what it's all about. Clubbing, the late nights, and the ladies. Got any cute girls in your group?
Oh, yeah, for sure. Yeah.
Well, you scoping that shit, bro?
Yeah. You know, tons of prospects.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, I was hoping to impress everybody tomorrow by coming through a little bit of weed if you knew
What it's all about, man. Late nights and ladies. You know, that's part of the reason I never left. Czech women are fucking gorgeous.
Wait, you never left?
Ah, man, after my semester abroad, just didn't go back. No fucking point.
Damn. That's bold, man.
You're fucking right, it's bold. You should consider it. You know, I'm an entrepreneur. Own my own business. Slay 24/7, baby. I basically own this fucking city. Ain't that right, Jakob? Fuck yeah.
You ever miss home?
Do I ever miss Westchester? Being the captain of my college chess team? My stupid ass friends and my loser grandma telling me that I can do something with it if I really want to? That I can join the circuit if I really want to? What the fuck do you think, man?
Well, I,
All right, let's pause this for a second. I'm gonna go sell those two fine gentlemen some ski passes.
Oh. Okay. Yeah, that's cool, man.
Nah, go ahead and make your move though, because I swear I can beat that ass in 3 goddamn turns if I really want to. All day, player. All day. Ragazzi.
No. I'm done, man.
It's okay. It's owns the house.
I appreciate that, but if I have another, I'm gonna puke all over the house. Oh shit. I gotta go talk to my friend real quick.
It is okay. You puke, you come back with start all over. It's alright.
Yo, what's up, dude?
Eddie, let's fucking go, dude. This guy's a coke dealer. We didn't come here to use coke.
He's a coke dealer with a bunch of weed, man. This is a process. Just give me 5 more minutes.
No. Fuck this. I don't care if I get lost. I'm going back.
Holy shitballs! Look who decided to come back to the party. You about through being a little chotch?
I was actually just about to.
I'm just kidding, man. You know what? Fuck chess. Checkmate, motherfucker. Yo, you guys wanna know something about this fucking city? Let me show you something about this motherfucking city. Let's go. Where you at, motherfucker? I guarantee you, literally every bar in this city has a foosball table. When's the last time you played, huh?
It's been a while.
Literally never.
Jakob, 3 obstintove vivistrelle. None of this? Woo! Is that all you got, boy?
Fuck, man.
Oh, you spinning it? Oh.
Fucking loser.
I knew when I came up to y'all, I was feeling some weird beta vibes from you. You're a fucking idiot, kid. And you always will be. There's nothing you can do about it, unfortunately. You know how I know that? Huh? You know how I know that you're a fucking idiot? Because only a fucking idiot moves his knight to F5 like a dumbass when he could have moved it to E5 and set himself up to take this piece, and even fucking this piece. You fucking idiot. You're fucked, kid. You're royally fucked.
Check. I guess.
Damn. Nice car.
You mischievous little fuck.
It's actually pronounced mischievous. Maybe you would know that if you weren't a college dropout.
What the fuck did you say to me?
Whoa, chill out, dude.
Don't fucking tell me what to do.
Oh shit.
Okay, all right. That's enough. Checkmate you, motherfucker. Now get the fuck out.
You know what? Screw this. I don't need you. Thought you were cool, bro.
What an asshole. Dobratelli.
Jesus, man. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Shit, dude, I'm sorry for bringing us out here. That got way out of hand.
It's okay. It was pretty cool. Other than whatever that was.
Hey, during your little brawl, you distracted him long enough for me to cop these.
Oh, dude.
Very nice.
Here, you do the honors.
Thanks, man.
Police! Police! Nazemi! Nazemi!